Gold bars are typically a secure way to store wealth, but here in Central, people have been waiting for over 2 hours to cash in on their precious metals.
The escalating conflict in the Middle East is driving up the price of gold. Spot gold prices reached $5,136 on March 9, just slightly below January's peak.
咁依家應該係以前嘅10倍咁滯啊，係咯，咁所以就都等咗咁耐啦。咁呢排啲金價都真係都好嘅，咁所以就唔係高位，不過都 OK 啦。咁今日有時間咪嚟咯。
我諗有20年前咯，20年前買落㗎啦。係啊，不過你冇帶咪賣咗佢咯。應該可能有值700-8千蚊個，一半到咯，買翻嚟都一半到。
The gold rush has sent retailers' profits soaring. The shop owner says his business has seen a 20% rise in sales since late 2025.
主要咧，因為都係有國內朋友嚟香港啦，咁就有買有賣啦。因為國內佢哋有個稅項，咁香港咧就係免稅，咁所以咧喺珠寶金飾方面嚟講咧，香港嘅店鋪咧就比較優勝啲。而家啲金價咁高咧，尤其是啲長者咧，佢套現咧，佢覺得好開心㗎啦，因為佢哋以前係買係萬零蚊一兩，而家佢賣翻咧係4萬幾蚊一兩，所以大部分都係拎嚟賣嘅多。
Fears of continuing geopolitical instability have buyers hunting for more tangible assets. That includes precious metals, typically gold and silver.
So with the Middle East war raging, analysts expect demands to keep rising and for sellers to continue cashing in.